Breaking news: Walmart is cutting hundreds of store support roles across the U.S. In a sweeping corporate shift, long-standing positions like market coordinators and training coaches are being dissolved. But what's behind this move, and how will it affect the retail giant's future?
Walmart's stock showed immediate turbulence after news of the layoffs broke. Investors are split. Some see this as streamlining for a leaner future. Others fear deeper operational cracks. Will this bold move backfire or boost long-term profits?
Inside the stores, the effects are already visible. Short-staffed aisles and longer lines are leaving shoppers dissatisfied. As Walmart rethinks its future, the question is, can it still deliver on the promise of convenience? The stock market wasted no time. Walmart's shares tumbled as news broke of the job cuts, sending ripples across the entire retail sector. Investors are now asking, is this a warning sign of bigger trouble ahead?
Walmart's layoffs have sounded the alarm, and the echoes are reaching its biggest competitors. Target and Costco now face the heat, not just from market reactions, but from investors demanding answers. The retail war is just getting started. While investors analyze charts and CEOs craft strategies, hundreds of Walmart workers quietly pack up their lives. These aren't just numbers on a spreadsheet. They're families, futures, and forgotten stories behind the quarterly reports.
The shift is silent but unstoppable. As technology tightens its grip, human hands are slowly pushed aside. Walmart's cuts aren't just business decisions. They're signals of a world where efficiency may be winning, but empathy is losing.
Wall Street responded, not with panic, but with curiosity. Walmart's stock trembled on the news, reflecting both doubt and potential. In the eyes of investors, it's a gamble. Will cutting human capital yield financial reward, or come at a cost too great to measure in dollars?